I give you $2.
So all this stuff are borrowed. You borrowed $7.
You owe me $2 back, right? Yeah, you owe me $2 back. If
you come in, if I need change for 10, you don't have change for 10. I give you $10, right?
Right.
You only give me $2. You owe me $8.
Right.
Right?
Right.
I don't owe you nothing. You
right.
owe me $8.
Right.
When I come back, I owe my $8.
Right. But you only get $8. See what I'm saying? You only get 8, not 10.
Okay, so
it's $2 left. That's what I'm saying. It's $2 left. So instead of
it's not $2 left. That's $2 done. That's already paid. That ain't even in the equation no more.
It is, no.
It's already $8. No.
If you give me a 10, Ray, I gotta give you. If I say
if I gave you a 10 and you give me 2 already, all you owe me is 8. The 2 is already out the equation because it's paid.
Right. So out of that $10, say for instance, I ain't even got to use it for that. Say for instance, the deal don't go down. I give you $8, I got $2 left, right? You see what I'm saying? That's the same thing, dog. I got $2. No matter what, I'm gonna have $2 left. You see what I'm saying? You see what I'm trying to say? So if I give him, if he give me $10, I owe him $8 back. You see what I'm saying? I still get my $2 back. You see what I'm saying? It's simple math, dog. That's what I'm saying. Instead of me saying, I owe you $8. I mean $2. Since he gave me $2. Instead of me saying, because look,
I'm gone.
He gave me $2. He gave me $2. I gave him a 10.
Man,
now, by him giving me $2, he kind of owe me. You see what I'm saying? Because I give him the most amount of money.
You still owe me $2.
No, I'm just saying. Yeah, he still owe me $2. That's where all this bullshit come from. That's fabulous. Owe us $2. You want to put this on YouTube? Let's see you get that.
That's good money right there.
Let's see you get that.
It's over with. How do you get out of this? How you try to get out of $2?